Hey Libra. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. For a lot of you, I feel like you guys have somebody new coming in. If you haven't already met this person. Okay, so for some of you, okay, this is what I'm picking up. For some of you, there is somebody new coming in. Let me talk to the people that want somebody new. There is somebody new coming in, and it's either if you have not met this person yet, you're going to meet them while you're out and about. You could be traveling and you meet them. For others of you, this new person, you could have already met this person, right? And it's just like you two just instantly click. Like there's an attraction here. You both can see yourself taking things to the next level or eventually doing that. But for some reason with unrequited love, there's not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. I feel like there's some type of interference here. Whether that's, you know, it's so many of y'all. Okay. Whether or not it's kind of like one or both of you guys could just kind of have like your own thing going on. You could be healing from like previous situations that you were in. Family could be an issue. Work could be like a third party situation where you guys are just focusing on yourself, focusing on career, you know, and so that could be where the unrequited love is. But even though like when I was scanning the deck, I saw like separation. So that's why I said some of you guys could have met this person, but for others of you, I feel like you're going to meet and then you guys are going to click for a little bit and then they're going to go away for a second. But I feel like it's other factors that are involved here. So what I want you guys to do is I want you to be open and honest with this person. Like if you're feeling them, tell them that, because I'm kind of picking up this energy of like this cat and mouse game where I need both parties to come in like, look, this is what I want. Like, I'm not playing games. Either you with it or you not. If you're not, deuces. Like, I'm gone. For others of you, I feel like this could be somebody from the past coming back towards you. This person is serious. They see themselves committing to you. They may even try to come back with a ring, okay? That's them pulling that Hail Mary. Like, I mean, all bets are off. It's go hard or go home at this point. So, if they don't come back in with a ring, I feel like they just want to start over with you. They want a commitment with you. So, because they see things going to the next level. They are making plans to come and see you, but right now there's a situation going on that they feel stuck in, they're not happy in, so I feel like they're trying to still get out of that, and they want to reach out to you to talk to you about what's going on, because they do want to have, you know, to extend this new love offer to you, but they're needing to get out of something. Libra, I just got hot all of a sudden too, so somebody's energy is a little crazy. Well, let's see. Let's see what's going on with you guys this month. Alright, let's see, guys. Alright, so bottom of the deck, I have Temperance. So some of you guys could be dealing with the Sagittarius. If not, I'm seeing that somebody wants to balance things out with you. Look at that. It's an air sign. Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But I feel like this person, they're coming back to give you some type of direct communication. This person could be telling you that they cut something off. So let's see. Clarify the King of Swords, please. Yep. Somebody could have cut off some type of family situation that they were in, but I feel like this person's going to come back towards you and have that honest heart-to-heart conversation, because they can see them. Look at that. They can see themselves having a family with you. The fact that I have 2 tens, I'm telling y'all, there's going to be a new beginning. There's something new that's starting with someone here, whether this is a new person or if this is the past person here. Somebody wants to have a family with you. They want contentment with you. They see themselves having happiness, but there's still somebody in the background still trying to hold on, whether this is ex, this is some type of third party, so it could be family, friends, career, an ex. It's somebody there. Okay. But right now, this person is afraid that things may not improve. Maybe this person is worrying about their money right now. Yeah, see? Yeah, I feel like somebody's worrying about money. you know, and this could be the focus. But I'm seeing that they made a decision. They do want things to improve with you, Libra, and so they're getting advice. They're talking to someone because they do want to take a leap to come back towards you to fix things. It's more so down for me, but I'm going to take it both ways. So this person doesn't want you to walk away, but they're afraid that you're done. They're afraid that you are going to walk. So they're coming out of being frustrated right now about the situation. Because remember I told you there's some type of separation, whether it's like with the past person or someone new. And that's why I said they're afraid that you're going to leave them, but they don't want you to walk away. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces, but I'm seeing that somebody's coming back to speak their truth. Yep. But they're afraid that you're going to let them go. Maybe for some of you guys, they're going to tell you that they had to drop some type of situation that they were in. See, it could be a family situation. They're going to have to let go of them taking care of family, or it's just, or somebody from the past. Let's see. Clarify the 6 of Cups, please. 7 of Cups. Yeah, this person, they got to make a decision. Maybe they had a lot of options in the past, and that was the problem. Somebody could have been dealing with a Capricorn. Somebody also could have been dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. Clarify the Queen of Pentacles. Let me see. Back and forth with the King of Wands. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. So, this is the thing. When the devil came out, my eyes went straight to this chain for some reason. So, I'm telling you, somebody felt stuck in a situation, whether it's with a love interest, family, friends, career, whatever. Somebody felt stuck. You know, that could have been like the codependency there. But they're afraid that you're focusing on you and you're going to move on. And so the way the King of Wands came out is kind of like this person has been dragging their feet to come towards you to speak their truth. But I feel like they're going to have the confidence to do it. They're coming, Libra. But see, yep, this person's been isolating themselves. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. Yeah, they're isolating themselves because they're afraid they're not going to have a new opportunity with you. Could be dealing with a Leo. Yeah, this person just doesn't have the strength to come towards you. But I see that... Lord, okay. Somebody definitely could have been being a player. You know, juggling multiple people. But I feel like they want to rush in because they want to heal things with you, and they're hoping that you'll give them another chance. But because they were kind of doing this in and out, they were being very inconsistent with you, they're afraid that it might be too late. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. But see, this person was definitely being very immature, very childish, you know, with their behavior and just the things that they have been saying to you. And now they can't sleep because this person's in their head. They're worried. They know that you're a good person. And see, what they're trying to do right now, even though they're frustrated, they're trying to clear away obstacles, you know, so they can be with you. This person is also trying to get out of their head. If they've been arguing with people, or just like a lot of people interfering, I feel like they're trying to break free from that. But this is also them, you know, getting out of their head. Or they're trying to stop overthinking the situation. But they're back and forth with the 6 of Swords. So it's kind of like they want to come back and turn things around with you, Libra. But at the same time, they feel like it's too late. Yeah, see, they don't have a peace of mind. For some of them, I'm telling you, that they're feeling stuck in something. That's why they're moving slow. They don't have a peace of mind about their money. It's whatever situation that they're in. And this person has a hard time speaking up. Somebody's dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But yeah, they're going to have to open up and say something. But look at that. I have 2 kings. So the fact that I have 2 men here, it could be 2 women. Take it however it fits your situation. But this is why they're moving slow. There's still some type of third-party situation going on here. And I feel like your person is just, they want to give you this stable, secure offer. But right now they feel like they can't because they have to focus on their finances. You know, whatever situation that they're in, it's just been draining them. So they're trying to make a change. See, didn't I tell y'all? This person is, they're feeling stuck or trapped in some type of codependent situation, whether it's with an ex, family, friends, career. They've been helping people. See? And they're trying their best, you know, not to think about what they did to you. But see, there's a Tower moment. There's going to be a shakeup for someone. Something's going to happen. Clarify the Tower, please. Clarify the Tower. It's with the third party situation, but I'm feeling like they're having an epiphany about you because they want to fix your broken heart. They know that they messed up. And it's like, even though they're trying not to think about it, they may be trying to play it off like, oh, I don't care about him or her. I'm good, blah, blah, blah. Like, no. They can't stop thinking about you, you know, because they know that they hurt you. Again, somebody's dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio, but this person is afraid that they mess up so bad when they do come back in to speak their truth, you're not going to say anything to them. So they're stuck trying to make a decision about how exactly to play this. Yeah, because see, they're not being positive at all at this point. They don't know what you're going to say. But this person definitely wants to have a victory with you, but right now they're not moving forward. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. Yeah, they know they didn't balance things out. Guys, like I told y'all before, you were the one that, you know, was always kind of like reaching out, you know, extending yourself, and they didn't put in the work. And this is why they're afraid they're not going to have a new beginning with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. Yep. Even though the seeds that they planted with you, they want them to grow because they really enjoy, you know, being with you, spending time with you, talking to you, laughing with you, all of that. They know that they left you out in the cold. They know this. And that's why, see, they're not putting in the work right now. They weren't putting in the work in the past. They're not putting in the work right now. I feel like it's because they have a lot going on their end. But honestly, that's not y'all problem. You know, and this is why you guys had to say, I'm not doing this anymore. Alright, so I'm seeing that, yeah, this person isn't confused. I'm telling you, they're not confused. They're coming to you. They're still just taking their time, Libra, or cross-watcher if you're dealing with a Libra. But see, there's the Queen of Swords. So this is letting me know they know that you want to hear from them. They know this. But they're also afraid of what you're going to say, you know, because it's kind of like, look, we done had this conversation before. You're not going to keep doing this in and out. You're not going to play me. You're not going to be wishy-washy. You can't make up your mind, you know. So they're like, okay, you're going to be really cold and harsh. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. But I'm seeing this person wants to apologize to you. They're just not confident in doing so just yet. So they're going to make a decision because I'm seeing that they do want to have a new beginning with you, Libra. Look at that, Ace of Cups. You are going to get a love offer from them. You are. That's the offer that you want. Wow, Libra. Libra, this looks good. Oh my gosh. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini. But that's a serious love offer. That's what I'm telling y'all. This is either somebody from, I'm still picking up both. So this is either somebody from the past or this is somebody new. I feel like even with the new person, there could be just a little bit of issues there because they're trying to get something together. But what I'm seeing here, this looks good. Let me see. But see, somebody's frustrated. Yeah, it could be you guys are frustrated because it's like you're waiting. You know, maybe they're frustrated because it's like they're having you wait. I'm telling you, whoever this is for, whoever I'm talking to, you're going to get the offer. But they're focusing on something else right now. And I feel like it has something to do with their money. You know, that's the problem. Back and forth with the Emperor. So somebody could be dealing with an Aries. But I feel like the way that came out, this person is going to come to you like an emperor. The problem is, it's like they're worried about their financial stability. They need to get that together first before they can even think about wanting to pursue you, date you, moving things, you know, to the next level. See? I feel like when that card just jumped out, I feel like, yes, this person was being sneaky. But also, I'm picking up that they're trying to sneak away from something or someone. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius. But see, they know that there's no balance. I'm telling you, somebody's worrying about their money, Libra. Somebody is definitely worrying about their money. Justice. Libra, you could be dealing with another Libra. Clarify Justice. See? Okay. Oh, Libra. Alright, so look. Somebody basically is trying to get out of something, whether or not, it's a lot of y'all, so look, just take it however it fits, but somebody could be trying to get out of a relationship, Somebody could be trying to get out of a marriage. Somebody could be trying to break free from some type of like business deal, contract. It's a lot. Somebody could be trying to get out of something legal, and that's why they're worrying about their money. I'm telling you, this person, whether it's the past person or the new person, they're trying to take care of something on their end first before they come towards you, Libra. See? The Empress. The way she just came out, I'm telling you, they want a new beginning with you, but they're unsure. Look at that. Y'all see the Emperor and the Empress together right here? So this is definitely some type of soulmate, or for some of you guys, it could be a twin, but for a lot of you, I am picking up soulmate, but I'm not going to disregard the twin. So, but either which way, I'm telling you, this could be something really good, but I just feel like patience is still needed, because whoever this is, they have to get out of something. They got to get out of something first. Look at that. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. This person wants a commitment with you. I'm telling you, they see marriage. They see it, Libra. Look, and they're going to tell you. There's communication about it. For some of you guys, let's just say this is, I can't say that because it can go either way. So I'll just say this. For some of you guys, yes, this person is going to come and tell you, like, look, you know, can we start over? I want to, you know, date you. I see a lot of potential. I have a good feeling about us, blah, blah, blah. For others of you, some of them could come back to tell you, look, you know, I was in a commitment, I was in a relationship, I was married, or there's something going on, and I need to talk to you about it. Because at the end of the day, see, Three of Wands, they want to start over. They do want to move forward with you, Libra. But see, they know speaking this truth, they're afraid that, yeah, you're not going to take it so well. Maybe they don't know if they can make you happy. See, there's interference here. Somebody could have been dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Y'all know the Queen of Wands reverse. That's somebody's mom or some type of mother figure, somebody they look up to. And this is why this person feels like they can't have happiness, because I told y'all there's somebody interfering and they got to break free from this person. You know, this is why this person was moving really slow, because it's kind of like they were sad that they couldn't move forward with you like they wanted to, because they were in some type of financial bind with them. And now it's like whoever was blocking, they're trying to get away from this person. See, it could have definitely been some type of home or family situation. Somebody could have been worried about something pertaining to a house. Maybe they take care of someone. But when it comes to you, I feel like this person sees you as family. They know that they can have this lifestyle with you. And see, I'm telling you, they're going to tell you this. There is communication coming in, but see, Spirit is saying it's coming in slow. But they do want to start over and build with you. I told you, Libra, look, you're going to get an offer. You're definitely going to get an offer from them. Tell me more. And they're going to tell you that they removed themselves from a third-party situation. Okay. Yep, and by them removing themselves, this is when things are going to improve. With you, between you guys, and things will improve with them financially speaking. But somebody's not listening to their intuition. Judgment. They need to make a decision. See, but they're frustrated. Somebody's frustrated because they're still feeling stuck in this situation, yeah. And I feel like they're frustrated because they don't know if you're going to take this offer. You know, some of them, basically, they're worrying about their money, too. I told you, there's something with money with this person as well. There's a Wheel of Fortune. So this is telling me that whoever basically wants to come back in and speak their truth and make things right, they've been going through their lessons, and I'm seeing that they're going to learn from them. They are going to move forward. And if, you know, somebody's worrying about money, I'm telling you, I see money coming in. So, Libra, let's just say, if it's you worrying about money, I am seeing money coming in for you. But regardless, somebody's moving forward. And I'm seeing here with the 10 of Swords reversed, the fact that I have 2 10s, I'm telling y'all, there's been some type of cycle that's completed. I feel like this person that's been trying to get away from the love interest, family, whatever the situation is, they're putting an end to that. It's going to be done. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonates. I love you guys. I'll talk to you soon. And yes, if you're interested in a personal reading, I'll leave the information in the description box. I will start back doing personal readings next week. Love you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.